Hi, I'm Victor Ramirez and I'm a product engineer for Norden. And today we're going to talk about cup brushes. Cup brushes come in a variety of sizes. It ranges between 2 3/4 all the way to 6 inch in diameter. The most commonly used is a 2 3/4 cup brush, which is also known in the market as a 3 inch, which was specifically designed for a 4.5 inch high-speed right angle grinder. Something to note is that one of the most common mistakes when it comes to cup brushes is that end users mount a 4 inch cup brush on a 4.5 inch right angle grinder. Even though a 4 inch cup brush fits well on a 4.5 inch right angle grinder, you don't want to do that because it would exceed the maximum RPM rated on the brush. Now, if you do want to use a 4 inch cup brush or a 6 inch cup brush in order to clean larger surface area, go to a larger right angle grinder.